Now, a common question that we often receive here at Volt is whether hair wash and shampoo is the same thing as beard wash, and how you can wash your beard in the best, most healthy way. And you might think that hair is hair no matter where it is on your body, but that's not exactly true. And there are actually a few very good reasons why you don't want to use hair wash and shampoo on your beard. So let's begin by talking about why you should wash your beard in general. You may think that some hot running water in the shower will do well enough, but it won't. And the answer is really simple. It comes down to one word: buildup. The buildup of dead skin cells, oil, dirt, and debris is not so easily washed away. Have you ever been cooking and spilled some vegetable oil or cooking oil on your hand? Even when you run it under some hot water, it's kind of difficult to get off. That oil tends to stay sticky and grab a hold of things like dust and dirt and debris, and the same thing happens in your beard. Without using a dedicated beard wash, the buildup of oil and debris in your beard isn't so easily washed away. And as time progresses, that can actually lead to more irritating issues, things like redness, acne and breakouts, itchiness, and more. Now, we don't want you to get us wrong. Having oil in your beard is really not a bad thing. The problem is when you have dirty oil in your beard. So in order to better manage and replenish the clean oils in your beard, you are going to need to use some kind of beard wash and replenish those oils later. And so you might think that shampoo is the same thing as beard wash, and that would be an understandable misconception, right? After all, both of these hair cleaning products are generally made with similar ingredients. However, the difference comes in the formulation and the proportion of these ingredients. You see, shampoos and beard washes and things like that are designed for one purpose, and that is to strip away the oils that are collected in your hair and beard. And that way you can replenish those oils with some clean hydration later. However, stripping away too many of these oils is definitely a bad thing, as doing so can cause damage to your hair and a lot of the unfortunate effects that I mentioned earlier. The shampoo that you use on your scalp tends to be pretty harsh when it comes to stripping away those oils. Now, this is for a few reasons. The first one being, it can get away with it. Shampoo that is meant for your scalp doesn't have to worry about more sensitive areas of your skin that are more prone to dryness, like around your mouth, your nose, and your eyes. Beard wash, on the other hand, tends to be a bit softer than regular shampoo. And a softer shampoo doesn't exactly strip away as many or as much of the oil that's built up in your beard and cause excessive dryness. So that's why beard wash and beard shampoo is not the same thing as hair shampoo and hair washes. Now let's talk about conditioning. In a similar way to how shampoo and beard wash are not the same thing, hair conditioner and beard oil and beard balm and hydrating products for your beard are also very much not the same. And this is for actually a totally different reason than the reason I talked about earlier when it came to shampoo. Hair conditioner is applied, left in for a few seconds, and then just washed away completely. And put simply, it just doesn't do as good of a job that your beard needs when it comes to hydration, because remember, these areas around your mouth and your nose are very prone to dryness. So what you really need is what we call a leave-in conditioner. Essentially a conditioner that you can apply and not have to wash out. And perfect examples of those leave-in conditioners just happen to be the most popular grooming products for beards on the market: beard oil and beard balm. Beard oil in this case, which is the most popular beard grooming product out there, is just a blend of natural oils that is supposed to help replenish the oil you strip away with a beard wash. These oils over time get absorbed into the beard hair and cause your beard and the skin underneath to become more softer, shinier, and feel better. And beard balm, on the other hand, does many of the same things that beard oil does, but it also gives you some styling benefit because it combines the oils that's common in beard oil with some waxes and butters that are more common in things like mustache wax that help give your hair a strong hold and style. So overall, using a leave-in conditioner is going to be more beneficial for your beard and the skin underneath, which is very important, as opposed to using something like a hair conditioner, which you apply once and then wash away immediately afterward. Overall, there's a reason why beard products are made for beards, and that is because your beard hair and the skin just doesn't behave the same way. So keep that in mind when you're looking for your beard washing and beard hydrating products. Overall, thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this quick little Volt video. We've got plenty more here on the channel, so you're going to want to make sure to hit like and subscribe and hit that little bell icon in the corner there so you'll be notified every time we post another video. I just want to shout out real quick that Volt has an awesome rewards program going on. It's called the Volt Amp It Up Rewards Program, where you can sign up for free, and every time you make a Volt purchase, whether that's for some beard oil or beard balm or even some styling products like beard and mustache wax, you'll earn points or amps, which can be then redeemed for purchases, shipping options, and things like that. The link will be in the description, so go ahead and sign up for that. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.